So very traffic in the area of the so very traffic in the gateway area. So we are now in gateway area. So as you can see, there's have a lot of car. This is the kind of transformation that we can see in the road.
Oh no!
Road. There's a lot of people that you can see in the area. In the area of the responsibility. Bah. That is the car, half car. Only
Oh my God, what happened?
I don't know, they are traffic.
They are traffic.
Yung grammar. Oh my
Oh my God,
God.
it's very traffic here in Surigao
Oo.
City.
There's a lot of car, tricycle,
Oh my God.
motorcycle. I don't know why, but I am happy to her.
Why are you happy?
Because, you know. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's very long.
Oo,
It's very long.
I like that. And then in the long and the ano ba daw?
Belonging.
Oo. I like very long. And then
It's very long.
and then there's have
Alam
helmet.
naman dito. Oh, gani. Wala ka English?
Oo.
Wala ka ba sa English?
Oh my God, the violet half car is one. Half car. Half raman kay katunga raman siya.
The violet half car?
Oh, half car, the violet half car.
What do
Hindi
you
man
call
siya
the other
full.
half?
I don't know. Something like
Half car, half truck?
half car, half
Is that what
truck.
you mean?
Because only oyo-oyo lang siya. Wala
Do you
siyang
mean by
katawan.
oyo-oyo?
With helmet of the area.